wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fi Azhara Rahmadita. My NPM 234111011. I am from Management Class 23C. In this video, I will present material about travel, comfort, motivation, and international culture, tourism, and their development. Okay, first, modern tourism has grown rapidly as people increasingly seek new experience, comfort, and cross-culture understanding. Traveling today is not merely a recreational activity but has become a lifestyle that encompasses physical, emotional, social, and intellectual dimension. Two of the most prominent motivation in today's tourism industry are the motivation for travel comfort in international culture tourism, but have strongly influenced global travel trend and encouraged the tourism industry to continue innovating in the service and offerings. Next, the concept of motivation in tourism. Motivation in tourism refer to the psychological driving force that encourage individual to travel. This motivation may arise from the needs for relaxation, new experiences, adventure, health, social interaction, or self-fulfillment. Internal factors such as the rise for comfort, pledge of mind, and personal satisfaction, as well as external factors like social influence and promotional exposures also shapes to motivation. Understanding tourist motivation is essential for tourism providers to deliver appropriate service and create products that meet market expectation. Okay, next, travel comfort motivation. Travel comfort motivation refers to a traveler's desire for a safe, easy, hassle-free, and stress-reducing travel experience. Tourists with this motivation tends to prefer efficient travel service, comfortable accommodation, practical transportation option, and service that prioritize privacy and quality. Comfort includes physical, emotional, and psychological aspects that make the journey enjoyable, relaxing, and refreshing. The goal is to ensure the travel experience feels smooth, pleasant, and restorative. Okay, next, factor driving travel comfort motivation. Several factors contribute to the growing motivation for comfortable travel. First, modern lifestyle are increasingly hectic and stressful, making tourism seek relaxation and pitch during their tips. Second, higher income level and purchasing power encourage travelers to pay more for premium comfort and convenience. Third, Digitalization and technological development have simplified travel arrangement, making people unwilling to deal with complicated or manual process. Additionally, great hours to health and well-being since the pandemic has influenced travelers to choose safe, comfortable, and less crowded travel option. Next, type of comfort-oriented tourism. There are several forms of tourism that are strongly driven by comfort motivations such as luxury travel, wellness tourism, and slow travel. Luxury travel embraces premium facilities, five-star hotel, personalized service, and exclusive experience. Wellness tourism focuses on physical and mental rejuvenation through spa treatment, yoga retreats, therapy program, and even medical tourism. Meanwhile, slow travel encourages tourists to enjoy their journey with easing, reducing stress and allowing more meaningful connection with local environment and relax pitch their these types of tourism are increasingly popular as they provide hustling comfort and stress-free experience. Okay, next, concept of international culture tourism. International culture tourism refers to travel undertake to learn about and appreciate the culture race of from country or region. This include visit to historical sites, museum, culture festival, art performance, tradition, cultural experience, and social integration with local communities. The aim of culture tourism is to gain a deeper understanding of the value, tradition, and lifestyle of the destination people. It affect additional benefit and provide increasing experience that broaden a traveler's culture, awareness, and knowledge. Okay, next motivation for international culture tourism. The motivation for culture tourism is driven by a desire to expand knowledge, explore history and tradition, appreciate cultural diversity, and exchange culture understanding. Tourism with this motivation are usually interested in learning authentic local experience and meaningful social interaction with residents. Additional motivation include their search for identity, spiritual experience, and personal enrichment through culture exposure. Culture tourism is not only about leisure but also serves as a form of self-development and intellectual growth. Next, from of international culture tourism. International culture tourism can take many forms, including visit to UNESCO World Heritage Sites, historical city tours, participation in international festival, regional tourism, traditional culinary exploration, and culture study tours. For example, tourists may visit Kyoto to learn about Japanese culture. attend the Rio Carnival in Brazil, go on the pilgrimage to the Vatican, or join a traditional Italian cooking class in Florence. Each type of culture tourism offers unique culture anchors and allow travel to directly experience local value, customer, and traditional. Next, develop of comfort and culture tourism motivation. The develop of tourism motivation so that travelers today are more selective and aim for high quality, meaningful experience. Globally, there is a rising demand for practical, personalized, and comfortable travel service. Meanwhile, culture tourism continues to grow due to globalization, culture exchange, increased your interest in learning to travel and improve access to international destinations. Social media also play a major role in promoting culture experience by providing exports to global tradition, inspiration, more travel to explore culture destination around the world. And the last, impact the tourism industry. Travel comfort, the culture tourism have significant impact on the tourism sector. To meet this motivation, tourism providing must improve service quality, ensure safety and convenience, offer education, culture, tour package, and integrate technology to provide smells and personalized travel experience. Tourist destination must also preserve culture heritage to maintain authenticity and attractiveness. Collaboration between government, local communities, and tourism stakeholders is essential to achieve sustainable tourism, ensuring culture preservation and long-term benefit for both visitor and local resident. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.